Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change your font on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to change your font on TikTok, go to your web browser from your phone or your computer and in the search box type in TikTok font generator and search. From the search results, tap on the first link that you see. This will take you to LingoJam. Now, you'll need to enter your normal text over here at the top of the screen. Type a text in the box. Let me show you an example over here. And you can select from the list of the fonts that shows up below the box. There are two distinct places where you'll want to add stylized or fancy text on TikTok. The first is while creating your username or to write your bio. Let me go ahead and type in the sentence over here. Now, from the bottom of the box, there are multitudes of stylized fonts and fancy fonts that you can choose from. Select any one and copy the text that has been generated and tap open your TikTok application. Now go to your profile by tapping on the Me button at the bottom right. Now you can go and tap to add bio and simply paste your generated fonts in the text box. Now tap on save at the upper right and there you go. You can also use the fancy font on your content. Tap on the plus button in order to create a content. Select any picture or video that you would like to upload. And now go and tap on the text button at the bottom. Simply paste the text that you copied from LingoJam and use it on your video as well. That way, you'll be able to use fancy fonts in TikTok or change your fonts on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.